Give you an idea how to update a couple of dynamic sections on your website. So on your website, basically when you log in, you're on the dashboard. Find Content Manager on the left hand side, click there, and then you will see this page where you have exhibitions and testimonials. These are the two sections you need to look. So the exhibition, when you open exhibition, it has multiple columns in there. The first column is title, description, then is start date, and date, image. We have a gallery section in there, and you can add galleries in there, but you know we on the new editor X we don't have any galleries at the moment. So if it's an upcoming event, like it's a new event coming up and not a past event, just tick that. And if it's a past event, just untick that box and that will automatically goes into the past events. So just delete this, otherwise create another. Okay. Location has a location. Phone number, at the moment we're not showing the phone number because you didn't provide me any phone numbers with the content you sent me so far. So if you do want the phone number to appear, then let me know. I'll put the phone numbers over there. But that's the field. So basically it's as simple as just adding content into the each field and it will appear on the website itself. So there's and when you need to change from an upcoming event to a past, just untick that. That's it. Going back, and then you have testimonials. Go to testimonials, and in testimonials you only have three fields: the title, the comments, which obviously the feedback of the client, and a picture itself. This one is uploaded in the uploading section. So if you need to select an image, if you don't have an image, then just select this one, or you can upload on a different image if you want. So that's basically it. It's pretty straightforward. If you need any help, then just let me know. Thank you.